Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Calm. We will go to settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Calm and you can click. Here on this page of app info we will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.